Angels and Dudes. How to make a honey vanilla lavender DIY moisturizing scrub. No moisturizer is needed after using this body scrub. Learn how to make this deliciously moisturizing body scrub that softens and moisturizes your skin instantly. The ingredients are safe and it's really easy to whip up at home. The ingredients are brown sugar, warmed raw honey, olive oil, aloe vera gel, fragrance oil, and vitamin E oil. To a large mixing bowl, add brown sugar and warmed raw honey. Whisk the mixture until blended. Add olive oil and aloe vera gel to the brown sugar and honey mixture, mixing well to fully combine the ingredients. Add fragrance oil and vitamin E oil. Stir to blend in all the ingredients fully. Fill your jar and voila! You have a moisturizing sugar scrub that softens, hydrates, and moisturizes your skin instantly. To use, scoop out a handful of sugar scrub onto wet skin. Massage gently over skin in a circular motion to exfoliate and cleanse, plus work in the moisturizing honey and oils. Focus on body parts with thicker skin like your elbows, knees, and feet. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry with a towel. You do not have to apply moisturizer after. Your skin will be glowing and feel super moisturized and hydrated. Wanna take your body refreshing one step further? Vanilla and Lavender Body Spray, available at angelsanddudes.com, is a lightly scented, alcohol-free body spray that will keep you refreshed and odor-free all day long. And it has the same soothing blend as the body scrub that's peaceful and serene. Whip up a batch of this sugar scrub for your own at-home spa night or make it to give as a DIY gift. And there is no moisturizer needed after. Hope you love this DIY moisturizing scrub as much as I do. For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. Angels and Dudes. Don't forget to subscribe!